Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you to get Pokemon Go Spoofer in 2026. So this works on iOS and Android. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. So let's get straight into the guide. So this gives you a joystick. You get a bar on the right side of the screen that shows you all the nearby Pokemon. So it's super cool. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it. So let's get straight into the guide. So as you can see, we have all the settings. Can actually change our character's speed, which is super cool. So this actually works. So yeah, we got the joystick. Yeah, this is super cool, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the joystick just so you guys can see. Because if you didn't know, this feature actually lets you walk around the Pokemon world from your house, which is really cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's get straight into the guide. So I want to mention that you should have your trainer code on hand. So I'm going to copy that. And now I'm going to go ahead and go to the website where we can actually get the spoofer. So the website is called spoofinglab.com. So let me just type it in right here. So this is the website, guys. So once you're there, you just want to press the button that says inject spoofer. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So you can read all about it. You can see it says start playing anywhere. So I'm going to press the button that says inject spoofer now. And then before this finishes, it's going to have us put in our username and select our platform. Now there may be a high traffic verification, but I already did this, so I don't have to do any verification. So I'm going to go ahead and press continue, and then the last step is going to be obviously that verification thing will pop up. But since I already did it, I don't have to do it. So I'm just going to wait for this to load. So as you can see, it asks if I want full edition or custom. I'm going to press continue, and now it's going to load, and then we should be good to go. So let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see, it says like initializing kernel. So I'm just gonna wait. Alright, injecting. Here we go. Alright, so now it is done. So we should be good to go. So as you can see, this is the little verification step thing. And I'm gonna press this and it should go through. So let's see if it works. Alright, and it looks like it worked. So there we go. So super cool. So be sure to try it out, guys. That's how to get the spoofer onto your device. So I really hope you guys enjoy the video. But yeah, try it out for yourself. Get the word out. That's how to download it onto your device. So this is actually working. You can see I got the joystick. Got all these settings. So yeah, I can change my location. So yeah, that's super cool. So yeah, I mean there's so many settings. So yeah, this is crazy, guys. So be sure to try it out. Another good one is enhanced throw. So this gives you 100% catch rate if you throw the ball right, which is pretty cool. So yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. Here's the enhanced throw thing, just so you guys can see. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe. Peace out.